So alam kong na-miss nyo ko.
3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jay. I know sobrang tagal na nung last video ko, and I promised na tutuloy-tuloy itong vlog. Pero this time around, ito na yung time na itutuloy-tuloy ko yung pag-vlog. Quick vlog lang. It will be an unboxing of the packages I got. Dahil sabay-sabay silang dumating, sabay-sabay ko rin silang bubuksan, and para lang may makontent kasi nawawalan na ako ng ideas. And if you have any suggestions, please do comment down below or message me on Instagram. Kahit sa TikTok, i-message nyo kasi nawawalan na ako ng ideas, and I'm open for suggestion. Quick video lang tayo today, and we are going to unbox a few packages that I got from brands that worked with me past few days. And sobrang delayed na ako sa pag-upload ng vlog. Promise, masusundan tong vlog na to. And if you haven't done it yet, please do subscribe to this channel. Give it a thumbs up, and please comment down below if you have any suggestions for my next videos. Please don't be shy. Mag-unbox na tayo ng 3 packages. I can't wait to share with you. So without further ado, let's go and unbox with me. So first off is this one. So I got this a few days ago. Na-sprayan na to, so don't worry. Kitang-kita yung spray marks dito sa package na to. Galing pa siya ng Hong Kong. So if you're familiar, I guess you already know what this is. I've actually done an unboxing video of the same brand. Sobrang nakaka-proud kasi kinuha nila ulit ako. They wanted to work with me again. Return customer. Ayun, bubuksan na natin siya. It's from SUDIO. Let's open it. So medyo anticlimactic yung pagbukas. Ooh, ganun siya. Ang nakatakot. Parang filler lang. This is the new SUDIO Neo. SUDIO Neo? Nayo? Or what? I don't know. I'm so sorry. And this is their newest line of earphones. So these are wireless earphones. Comes in 4 different colors. Is the new one. This is their Neo AURORA. So I'm not sure if I can share this with you. This is the new one. Whoa! Baka malaglag. So sorry. Ang cute ng kulay. So this is limited edition. You can use my code, which is going to give you 10% off on your purchase.
One eternity later.
So this one's their accessories. So bali, ito yung charger niya, matching color. We have the infos and the warranty card. No, it's not. Ano pala siya? Parang pampunas, yung neoprene. Ayan siya. Pampunas pala siya. Pero nakalagay kasi yung parang warranty. And this one is... So these are the spare buds for your ears depending on the size of the hole. Adjustable siya. Dito pa siya naka-adjust. So ayan, buksan na natin ito. Patayo niya. What's going on? I feel it like that.
Meanwhile,
Ayaw. Oh. Effects. So this is the SUDIO Neo AURORA. Ang ganda ng kulay. It's limited edition, and again, you can use my code. Pero hindi ko siya itatry ngayon kasi mag-unbox lang tayo. There's 2 of them. Umilaw siya. Ganda yung kulay niya. It's very unique, and I don't know, I like it. So Aurora yung tawag dun sa kulay niya. It's because it's inspired by the auroras in the northern hemisphere. Diba? Fun fact. So let me know if you want a review of this, and I'll be happy to do so. Do it on the comment section below. That's the first package. This one is next. Feeling ko madami matutuwa dito kasi meron din akong discount code and you get 10% off. So this one is from ABSOLUT. I absolutely like it. Of course, we have booze. And speaking of booze, you get 10% off your boozy purchase if you buy Absolute Vodka. And we have... So, akala ko meron lang ganito, plus may ganito ulit sa loob. Pero it's not. So, ba't hindi na siya makakila? Ano nangyari? Nasira siya. So, ba't hindi ko kasi siya mahila? So, alright, I'll be getting this one out. Oh. Hirap. May naipit kasing papel. So this is a recipe for Absolute Fluffy. Ayan. We're going to try this one. Ang cute. Oranges na sa loob ng plastic para hindi masira. Ay, hindi ko alam kung sira na siya kasi ilang araw na siya. Ilang araw na siya nakastock kasi ngayon lang ako nag-unbox. I have this. This is like a shot thing. Ah! Earn! Joke. Ito yung shaker. Yeah, boy. Barista ka, boy. I'll do this tomorrow. It's weekend tomorrow. Medyo. Okay pa. This one are notebooks. So these are notebooks. So this is a notebook that is made by Filipino artists. This one is made by Eunice Cruzabra, or also known as Yun Pion, if I say that correctly. A Makati-based illustrator and concept artist. Okay, medyo mahirap. So, ano siya? Parang bullet journal. So, mayroon tayong mga dotted pages. And we also have blank pages. Parang gusto ko tuloy mag-paint. If you guys want, I can make a painting. Comment down below. Subscribe to this channel. Comment down below. Give it a thumbs up. You know, the works. This one is from Julian the Divas, which is commonly known as Julian. She is a cartoonist and illustrator. I guess yung ibang illustrations dito, like this one, is from another artist. And I'll list down all the artists that is part of this collaboration. And it's really nice to have this type of collaboration with brands that showcases Filipino artists. And we need to appreciate, lift up our fellow artists, our fellow Filipinos, especially during this time of pandemic that we have dull moments and parang ang dilim-dilim na lang sa paligid natin. And we have artists to show us that there is color, there is art, there is beauty amidst everything else, and there's fun. Hindi ko alam kung pinagsasabi. Alam mo, minsan gusto ko rin talagang maging part ng mga ganito. Gusto ko mag-drawing, mag-paint, and makikita ko siya sa mga ganito, mga notebooks. It's very inspiring. Last but not the least, this one. So this is a package that I'm really proud of because it's mine. So this is the first time I'll be talking about it, and this is the first time I'll show my new baby. This is something I'm really proud of, and I just started this a few months ago. Pinaghirapan ko siya. If you want, you can enjoy this too, and I will be so happy to pack your order. So this is my own brand. So that's DEKAN Philippines, and I'm going to open it for you. This is made of 90% recyclable material. Eco-friendly po tayo. So we're going to open this. Siyempre, gusto ko yung package nyo is very safe, you know. Upon opening a handwritten letter, as nalaglag, is yung thank you card ko. I really thought about this, and nakakatuwa lang kasi it's gold and it's shimmering and Pero ayan, I'm gonna put down the link in the description box, and you can have free shipping every time you order. Just use the code right here. And I'm so happy and I'm so proud of this. So ayan, let's open this. So this is the package. May sticker dyan. Unet. Kakatuwa lang. Natutuwa ako. This is the first one. Just like the basic shirt, I put some details on here. I'm not sure kung makikita mo siya, pero ayan siya. May parang embroidered siya dyan. And meron din siya dito sa baba. I kind of like it, how it turned out. And It comes in black also. And this one is the other design. So medyo fascinated kasi ako sa gold recently. And ito yung na-come up. So it's a basic shirt embroidery. We're going to be releasing more designs soon. The can backwards is naked, meaning bare, undisguised, and real. Inspired by the beauty of one's skin, body, and personality, the can is about being effortlessly bold that embraces the authenticity of one's individual expression, your true bold self. Pinaghirapan kong i-compose. Ay, ko ba siya? Let's try it. So, ano siya? Thick yung neck ribbings niya. I like how it fits the neck. It's really parang choke me, daddy. This is a medium. That is small lang ako. Pero ito, medium siya. So it's very simple. It's very versatile. It's quite thick. Makapal siya. Pero hindi siya ganun kainit for me. Kasi gusto ko sa damit ko, hindi siya ganun kanipis. Kasi medyo, medyo may tinatago tayo dito. So, I hope you can get your own piece soon. Pwede akong magpa-giveaway nitong shirt. So, bali yung isang shirt, ano lang siya, parang basic white shirt lang siya. Pero syempre, we don't want to be like every other white shirt. So, ayun, nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting design lang dyan sa gilid. At least, it separates you from the next white shirt. I like it. I'm just so happy and I'm so proud and I'm thankful na I get to share this with you. I'm sorry, medyo puro English hata yung nasasabi ko kasi anong oras na. But yung araw kasi nagiging English talking dollars na ako eh. Ginagawa ko. That's it for today's video. I know this is short. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this has inspired you to also pursue your dreams. Kasi ito na yung naging dream ko nung pandemic and it's happening and I'm just happy that I could share this with you. I hope that inspired you and if it did, please do comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Click the notification bell and I'll see you again next time.